Hi, this is Jackie. Welcome to a new challenge called K.I.S.S. Keep It Simple Sunday. It is done by Melissa at DIY. And she's working hard like I am to get to 1,000. And her host is Sandy MacKenzie Lumber Mill. And Sandy just barely reached 1,000, and we're so happy for her. So anyway, this is just a real simple one. You just take one of the pumpkins, cutouts from Dollar Tree. I painted on the back, and I used the jack-o'-lantern orange acrylic paint, and it took about 3 or 4 coatings, because you can see how translucent it is. So relaxing. And then when it dried, I did a little dry brush on the ribs to show where it was a little darkness and give it a little dimension. And then I put a little yellow on it to highlight it. I think I didn't show me doing that because sometimes I press the button and it's actually turned it off. So if you take a little bit on your brush when you're going to highlight or shade, it helps if the other paint underneath is wet. If you just put a little bit on it, and it helps to give you a nice blended shadow and highlight. Okay, lady, get on with it. There, I'm doing a little bit more. Oh my gosh, I didn't edit this very well. You don't want to sit here and keep watching me paint. Should have sped it up a little bit. But like I said, I know I didn't record some of the footage. Now the other pumpkin I did, it will be a recording of that on my last video on my channel. And oh, here I'm making a nice bow. Anyway, I took another cutout from Dollar Tree. I painted that orange, and then I put some fabric over the raised areas. And then I took beads that were just natural and put them all around the indentations. I love these leaf ribbon. They had some pretty ribbons at Dollar Tree. And this is pretty much a whole Dollar Tree project except for the fabric that I got at Walmart, and it was just a fat quarter. If you look at the pumpkin, you can see where I shaded along where the ribs would be. Used to make a bow in no time at all, but the arthritic fingers don't work quite as well as they used to. can tie it with floral wire, twine, a pipe cleaner. And just cinch it down real tight. I think I took little nips in the side. Helps it gather it better in the center. Wire so I can tie the two together. The biggest thing is make sure it's nice and tight. And then fluff, fluff, fluff. And look, that one escaped me, and I didn't want it to. Okay, you can see the other pumpkin, and I'm going to glue it onto the big pumpkin. This was shot before I had my shoulder replaced. So you can see it all finished there, and you can see where I did the shading and the highlights. I put a hanger on the back of it. And here it is all done. Tell me what you think in the comments. Do you like it? And here it is hanging up. And I sure appreciate you coming to watch my video. And I would appreciate if you hit that button and subscribed. You know, it doesn't cost anything to do it, and it sure helps me with my channel in the long run. And go visit Melissa and Sandy both. Thanks for coming around and watching the playlist. Bye.